The agent age, how the CMS will become. CMS is a content management system. It starts from a personal blog, then to social media like Facebook, Twitter, and then finally it become like the AI agent stuff. Some people think like in the AI agent stage, the CMS or social media, it will become something like an AI, and you ask that AI question, that AI give you information. I don't think so. Think about it. When the CMS starts, it starts from last century, 1990s, and that time people just build their own website. People check your website and give you comments, etc. Then we move to Facebook age and MySpace age. Initially, we have MySpace. It's hard for people to build their own website. So MySpace or Facebook, they think, okay, I build one for you. You just only need to type some information and click the button to send it. Then all your friends, all your audience can receive that. So they just make the distribution channel and also the CMS management system together. So then they become super popular. But what AI changed is AI changed the way of how to store the information. Traditionally, all the information is stored in the database. Nowadays, the information can be stored in a machine learning model, large language model. So it's super different.
It became apparent to many people that those GPTs actually compress the training data.
And nowadays, we also have intelligence, right? We have a new program, the agent, not like traditional front and back end. All the information storage and distribution change. I guess CMS will also be changed. So what's the new form will be like? I think it will combine the benefit of AI models and also AI agents to some new form. I guess the newest version will be like this. Everyone will have a model, or everyone will have a memory in their mobile phones. Why traditionally we cannot do that? Because it's really super hard to set up a database into your own mobile phone and run it 24 hours. But nowadays, memory is super simple. It's only maybe 2 or 3 pages. It can totally be stored in your own mobile phones. So I guess that's the things will change. People use agents to store the information, use memory to store the information, use the agent to run the inference, and it will form a new network. This network will have a new distribution way to distribute the information, and everything will be automatically recommended to the users instead of you find them. So I think that's a totally new world. If any people are interested in this kind of topic, we are running some workshops every Friday on our Discord server. Let's discuss.